Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam Sajjad from CID News Network with my program Around the World in 60 Seconds. PM Imran and Turkish President discuss US troop pullout from Afghanistan. Turkish President on Thursday made a telephone call to Prime Minister Imran Khan and discussed bilateral ties and recent developments in the region. Government bans TLP to move Supreme Court for its dissolution as the government slapped an expected ban on the ultra-right-wing Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan for its involvement in terrorism on Thursday. The French embassy, apparently fearing, advised the French citizen to leave Pakistan. Record tests for COVID-19 conducted in a day. While a record number of COVID-19 tests were conducted in a day since the beginning of the pandemic, the country reported another highest number of coronavirus cases in the last 10 months. India likely to use force against Pakistan, US report. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India is more likely to respond with military forces to perceived or real provocations from Pakistan, warns a US intelligence report sent to Congress this week. UAE is mediating between India and Pakistan, says senior diplomat. The United Arab Emirates, envoy to Washington, confirmed the Gulf state is mediating between India and Pakistan to help the nuclear-armed rivals reach a healthy and functional relationship. UK scientists find higher risk of brain clots from COVID-19 compared with vaccines. There is a much higher risk of brain blood clots from COVID-19 infections than there is from vaccines against the disease, British researchers said on Thursday after the rollout of inoculation was disrupted by reports of rare clots. Canada launching new immigration programs for international graduates, essential workers. The Canadian government has decided to launch 6 new immigration programs for international students, graduates, essential workers and French speakers who will get permanent residency this May. Hong Kong marks first National Security Education Day. Parades, quizzes and exhibitions at schools as Hong Kong promotes the controversial Beijing imposed national security law. Iran says it is willing to return to full compliance with the deal if the US first drops all sanctions imposed under Trump. Negotiations to bring the United States and Iran back into a landmark nuclear deal are set to resume on Thursday, but also under the shadow of an attack this week on Iran's main nuclear facility. China's economy grows 18.3% in post-COVID comeback. China's economy grew a record 18.3% in the first quarter of 2021 compared to the same quarter last year. This is end of today's international news. Thank you for watching CID News Network Islamabad.